you're at the forefront of geo, you're leading it forward, but India is still seen as a lagger, right? We're still seen as a laggard with tech. We're always seen as like still following the West in terms of tech, in terms of AI. Is that true? How do we change this?
I feel the contrary, Harsh. Today, 8 years on from launching Jio, we've become the biggest data consuming nation around the world. We've led that. Every single, our average consumption per user is now significantly higher than anywhere else in the world, including China. So I think gone are the days that we should think about India from a tech laggard perspective. I think we have established that India is one of the forefront nations that can adopt technology and use technology for the benefit of the country. In our estimation at Jio, I think AI is the biggest technology change that we have seen in our lifetime till date. And it is, in my view, it is the engine that will empower India to grow at 10% or double-digit growth numbers for the foreseeable future. So we continue to, what we have to really do to do it, I think there are 3 fundamental blocks that we have to do to enable us in that AI leadership moment. I think to continue to invest in AI infrastructure, AI data centers that are completely ready, that can scale worldwide, scale for India at millions and millions of users. At Jio, we are already doing that. We recently announced in Jamnagar that we're building our AI data center, which will be a gigawatt capacity data center.
Wow, that's amazing.
But continuing to invest at the infrastructure level. The second and third thing actually go quite jointly is the research and development part of AI. And I think that now that we are very fortunate that Prime Minister Modi has laid out his vision about, powering this with the AI mission and all of that, we continue to invest on deep research and deep development that comes from that research. And then finally, I think the proof of the pudding is to invest in the right talent, right? And what does it really mean to invest in the right talent is get the best of class and foster those engineers coming back, data scientists coming back. Today at Jio, we've already invested in our overall full stack AI team, which is led by data scientists, researchers, and engineers to be 1,000 plus. The critical element in this, I feel, is also to foster new ideas and push the boundaries of development, right? It's not too far away where we will have a groundbreaking idea that will have 500 million people on one platform coming out of India. And I think that's really what I think will take us to have that AI leadership. I think we've already showcased to the world in connectivity that we can be the leaders of technology, not just be fast followers. I mean, you mentioned it in your opening note that not too long ago, I mean, back to 2015, which is just 10 years ago, internet speeds were less than 1 MB in this country, whether it be on the mobile or at the home. But today, everyone continues to enjoy very high data speeds. And so I think from an AI point of view is these 3 critical items that we need to focus on.